So this is the final view of our kit. Now let's see the hardware components which were used in this project. So this is the Arduino Uno controller, which helps to control the sensors and the output devices, and this is the 16x character bit LCD display which helps to display the sensor data, and here is the smoke sensor which helps to detect the harmful gases present in the environment, and this is the DHT11 sensor which helps to detect the temperature and humidity present in the environment, and this is the rain sensor which helps to detect the rain, and all these sensors data will see in the server using the IoT module. So to see the output, first we need to connect the 12 volts DC power supply. So I am connecting the DC supply. So for this IoT module we need to give the internet support. So that's why I am turning on the hotspot with the credentials what we have given in the code. So now I am turning on the hotspot. So it shows connecting. Whenever it is connected, it turns into connected. So in mobile also we can see that whatever the device is connected, ESP-E9CA2A, and this is the device which is connected to the internet. So it's take nearly 1 minute to connect, so waiting, and here is the connected. Now it shows the sensors data. So now let's sensor. Whenever in case temperature increase greater than 50 degrees or else humidity rises greater than 100 degrees, automatically all the sensor data will upload in the server. And the same like as a rain sensor or else any harmful gases detects also, it automatically uploads the data in the server. First we open the server. We use thingspeak.com server, so I am opening the server. I already logged in this, so this is my ThingsPeak server. So I created a smart weather monitoring system. Now I am opening my channel. And here you see the different data like the temperature, humidity, rain, and the smoke. So in case if any high temperatures or humidity or rain or any harmful gases detect, it automatically uploads all the sensor data in the server. So now let's see, for example, using water, I will add with the rain sensor, and let's see the output which is uploaded in the server. So this is the previous data. So now I am just using water, I am adverting the rain sensor. So here you can see rain detected and uploading. So as it is we can see in the server also. So rain. So if you check the time, 11:58. So now the time is same data is seen in the server. In this way all the sensors data will upload in the servers. So humidity also. So 32 temperature, and humidity also 61, and the rain sensor and the smoke sensor data. That's all.